In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio pitch in CapCut PC. If you want to make a voice sound deeper and more dramatic, or push it higher for a playful chipmunk-style effect, CapCut gives you a very simple way to do it. The key is knowing exactly where the pitch controls are and which panel to use depending on the result you want. To begin, go down to your timeline and select the sound layer you want to edit. This could be a voice recording, a sound effect, or a music clip. Click once directly on that audio block in the timeline. When it becomes highlighted with a bright border, that confirms CapCut has selected the correct clip, and any changes you make next will apply to that specific piece of audio. This is important because if nothing is selected, the controls may not affect what you expect. Once the clip is selected, move your cursor to the top right area of the screen where the Properties panel appears. In that panel, look across the main tabs and click on Speed. After that, check that the Normal sub-tab is active. This section contains the core controls that affect how your clip behaves in terms of timing and tone. So it's the right place to start when you want quick pitch-related changes. Now you're ready to adjust the vocal tone. Inside the speed settings, look for the option labeled Change Pitch. Click the checkbox to enable it. Turning this on tells CapCut to preserve or shift the tone while you work with speed-based adjustments. It's a useful setting when you want the program to manage pitch changes as part of your edit. If your goal is to change the pitch without tying it to the clip's speed, use the alternate method instead. Go to the Audio tab, then open the Voice Changer sub-tab. From there, choose the Voice Filters section and click the option labeled Pitch. You'll now see a horizontal pitch slider. Drag the slider to the left if you want the sound to become deeper, heavier, or more robotic. Drag it to the right if you want the sound to become thinner, higher, or more exaggerated. As you adjust, listen carefully to the playback so you can fine-tune the result. Small movements can make a big difference, especially on voice tracks. Once it sounds the way you want, you're done. That's how to change audio pitch in CapCut PC.